It's clear that to help the economy, we have to fight the virus first, and that we've had tremendous leadership here in Vermont from Governor Phil Scott, and I'm very supportive of the work he's done. I'm proud that my husband has worked as part of his administration in helping to respond to the crisis and support businesses and communities around the state. But the impact has been devastating. Over 30,000 Vermonters are out of work now, and mostly women. And much of that comes back to childcare issues and gaps in childcare. So many of the issues that we are facing now in COVID existed before, but are exacerbated. And folks who are our frontline workers, many of my high school students, when we went out of session last spring, they were working full time on the front lines in grocery stores while I was teaching from home on Zoom. So there are huge things that we need to do, both as a response to COVID, but really in our underlying priorities as a state. Again, it's raising the minimum wage to $15 at least. It's paid family and medical leave, and it's access to healthcare, universal access to high quality healthcare, as well as childcare, because that particularly impacts and disadvantages women. So there will be a huge role for the state to play. I heard the federal chairman of the Federal Reserve of Minneapolis in one of the economic programs I listened to early in this crisis talking about what do we do economically. And he was emphatic that the lessons of 2008 and even of the Great Depression were in a crisis like this, do more and do it sooner than you think. And I will bring that mantra with me to an extent to Montpelier as we continue to respond to this crisis.